Did you know that by making your money work for you, you can achieve financial independence? Creating a tutorial on effective strategies for investing, saving, and budgeting can empower individuals to take control of their finances. One key aspect is understanding the power of compound interest, which allows your savings to grow exponentially over time. By investing wisely and taking advantage of opportunities, anyone can build wealth. Additionally, educating yourself about finances can help you make informed decisions. Understanding concepts like diversification, risk management, and passive income streams will enable you to create a solid financial foundation. Moreover, setting clear financial goals is crucial to achieving long-term success. Whether it's saving for retirement, purchasing a home, or funding education, having specific objectives guides your financial planning. Furthermore, exploring various investment options can greatly enhance your earning potential. Stocks, real estate, and mutual funds are just a few avenues that can help grow your wealth over time. Additionally, tracking your expenses and creating a budget is essential for managing your money effectively. By understanding where your money goes, you can identify areas to cut back and increase your savings. Lastly, leveraging technology can simplify managing your finances. With various apps available, you can easily monitor spending, set savings goals, and stay informed about your investments. In conclusion, taking proactive steps towards financial literacy and smart investing can transform your relationship with money. By adopting these principles, you can shift from merely working for your money to having your money work for you. Embracing a mindset of growth and opportunity opens doors to achieving your dreams. Remember, the journey to financial freedom is not just about the destination, but also about enjoying the process along the way. Finally, don't hesitate to seek advice from mentors or financial professionals. Building a network of knowledgeable individuals can provide valuable insights and support on your financial journey. Moreover, sharing your experiences and learning from others can enrich your financial understanding. Community support fosters growth and encourages accountability in achieving your financial goals. Additionally, setting milestones and celebrating small victories along your financial path can keep you motivated. Recognizing progress reinforces your commitment to achieving greater financial stability. Moreover, practicing mindfulness around your finances helps cultivate a positive relationship with money. It allows you to reflect on your values and align your financial decisions with your long-term aspirations. In essence, taking control of your finances is a journey that requires education, strategy, and commitment. By continuously learning and adapting your approach, you can empower yourself to create the financial future you desire. Lastly, embracing lifelong learning in finance can equip you with the tools needed to navigate an ever-changing economy. Staying informed allows you to make confident decisions and seize opportunities as they arise. Furthermore, participating in workshops or online courses can enhance your financial knowledge. These resources provide practical insights and techniques that can be immediately applied to improve your financial situation. Finally, visualizing your financial goals can keep you motivated and focused. By regularly reminding yourself of what you're working towards, you'll find the drive to make informed financial decisions. Conversely, being aware of potential pitfalls in financial management is equally important. Recognizing warning signs can help you avoid common mistakes that may hinder your progress toward financial independence. Ultimately, surrounding yourself with a supportive community can make a... Moreover, celebrating your achievements, no matter how small, reinforces your dedication to financial growth. Recognizing your progress motivates you to pursue even greater financial goals. Additionally, involving family and financial discussions can enhance collective understanding and shared goals. Open communication fosters teamwork and accountability as you work towards financial success together. Finally, leveraging technology provides accessible tools to help manage your finances efficiently. By utilizing financial apps and resources, you can stay informed and organized on your journey to financial empowerment. Moreover, sharing your financial journey with friends can enhance accountability and motivation. Celebrating milestones together not only strengthens bonds but also inspires others to pursue their own financial goals. Additionally, setting a timeline for your financial goals can create a sense of urgency and purpose. By mapping out your objectives, you can better track your progress and stay motivated to reach them. Furthermore, seeking guidance from financial experts can provide valuable insights tailored to your unique situation. Their expertise can help navigate complexities and optimize your financial strategies. Moreover, recognizing and celebrating every achievement in your financial journey bolsters confidence and motivation. Each step forward is a testament to your commitment and progress towards financial independence. Did you know that by making your money work for you, you can achieve financial independence? Creating a tutorial on effective strategies for investing, saving,